Bahay kubo kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, sikamas at tulong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, kundo, patola, upot, kalabasa, asaka mayroon pang labos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid ay puro ng linga. Bahay kubo kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, panatani.
That's enough na. That's okay now.
Hello, teacher. The song Bahay Kubo shows how Filipinos live a simple life in the province. It tells about a small house and many vegetables, showing that we love nature and healthy food. That's all. Bye.